Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again on a new video reaction. I am here to react on an issue at hand. I made a live stream on our second platform, which most of you joined me early hour today, discussing this issue, this particular voice that is trending. And some of us have different reaction to that. Okay, if you have not watched that video, please, I encourage you to go to my second platform and watch that video. We spent some hours there. We just spent hours to analyze this issue. I believe most of you have seen the video. That conversation between PM and cabinet members, a meeting that held not in the public, but somehow is now in the public, just to prove that COS what she had been going through, and we have, you know, shared our own opinion on that. So if you don't mind, go to our second platform and watch it. Kai Report News. That's where we stream that video. But I'm here to say something because Sonak Barawa have actually made a video. He made a video trying to, prove a point. He started by saying that he's not a pushover. And nobody expected him to be a pushover. I don't expect him to be a pushover. But the only thing is that he knows what he's doing. He knows what he wants. And to prove to you that he knows what he wants, he made it clear that everything must be the way he wants it. And he actually said something about COS, that that PM told COS that she's not representing him in his absence. But that's not the question. He's trying to shift the attention from the main issue. The issue is that this subordination and betrayal and a kind of looking down on COS did not start today. It did not just start because there is or maybe what happened in convention or what people are trying to achieve after the re-declaration of Biafra. It is have been there, and that meeting proved a lot. I said it and I'm saying it again. What do you think about this issue at hand now? What do you think about Sonia Agbarawa and all of these people trying their best to, gang up against US? Which PM on that video, on that meeting, tried his best to hold them back and stop them, which have actually helped everybody because had it been that he's not there, he was not there, those things would have gone to another level. But thank God that everything was under control under him, and he managed it perfectly. Now that we are hearing about it, it's simply because PM is not here anymore to do what he normally do, to call them to order and caution them. Do you understand? Now, if you watch that video and you still have this kind of notion that COS is agent and all that, you need to examine yourself. Throughout today, I have not seen the guy read your chatter. Guy read chatter. And I'm not mocking chatter. Just like we said in that in our live stream, that the chatter is there. PM was able to say what he said. He made it clear that he can do and undo to make sure that Biafra comes in this struggle. That's one of the statements that PM made there that caught my attention. He did not tell you we can have to use chatter and all that. For you to know that invoking CRC and chatter, it simply means they are trying to navigate the way or find a way to find an excuse to move from the main issue, believing that they know what they're doing. But be it as it may, Biafran actually know what is right and what is wrong. I don't want the video to be too long. I just want to remind us that if you have not watched that video or if you have not spent time to digest it very, very well, please take your time and watch it and make sure that you open your mind. Don't watch it with sentiment. Like I said, if you want further explanation, you can also join, hit on our second platform and watch that video that we had in our live stream. It's quite long, but you are not going to regret it. Okay? Thank you so much for your time. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Tell me your own take about that video. Okay? I wanted to upload the video here, but I said, since I have, made reaction video on that. There's no need to repeat it again. But watch that video with key interest so that you understand what is going on. Maybe you can have your own opinion on that, and you may share it with us on comment section here. Thank you, like I said, and please subscribe to the channel. See you again. Bye bye for now.